Aya bebe nege kai. Wabi tota. Compliments of the day to you all. Happy listening. Eni mahia gwan kanwe na. Oe. Ikemi. Okbanya yeha. Yase. Yisen. What we'll be looking at today is number counting 61 to 100. Begi we mi no gbera mana we ikemi okpanya gban ya se iyeha oni ohia zeni mana wo eke okpanya iyeha ya se iyisen. So in our last class we looked at numbers from 31 to 60. That is what is making us start today from 61 to 100. Wabi tota, happy listening. Okpanya iyeha, evanya iyeha, ehanya iyeha, enenya iyeha, isenya iyeha, eneirove kigbe si yene, ehairove kigbe si yene, evairove kigbe si yene, okpairove kigbe si yene, ekigbe si yene. Now here, remember I told you that Okpa is what replaced Owo in number counting, and in our previous classes I told you that Nya means to put on top, to add. This is what we use in adding the smaller number to the bigger number, whole number, which can be divided by 20. Eneiro ve kigbe si yene. Ehairo ve kigbe si yene. Evairo ve kigbe si yene. Okpairo ve kigbe si yene. Ekigbe si yene. Now this ekigbe si, I told you in our other classes that ekigbe si is an odd number. And when we get to the odd numbers, we start using ekigbe si, which means remove 10 from. Remove 10 from, or 10 is removed from the nearest whole number that 20 can divide. So in this case, ekigbesi is the odd number, which is 70. 70. Ekigbesi yene. Yene is the even number, which is 80. So we are removing 10 from 80 to give us 70, which is ekigbesi yene. I also told you that in the odd numbers, it tells us that we are approaching the even number. We are approaching the round figure even number that 20 can divide. Hence, we have iyene, which is 80. Okpanya ekigbesi yene, evanya ekigbesi yene, ehanya ekigbesi yene, enenya ekigbesi yene, isenya ekigbesi yene. An error of yene. Now, I also told you that this error is used to remove, to subtract, to reduce. So, yene is 80. So, for us to get 76, we have to remove 4 from 80. Hence, we have an error ve kigbesi yene. A higher ve kigbesi yene. A viral ve kigbesi yene. Okpairo ve kigbesi yene, iyene. Here where the base one, I want to start it again. Okpanya iyeha. Okpanya iyeha, 61. Evanya iyeha, 62. Ehanya iyeha, 63. Enenya iyeha, 64. Isenya iyeha, 65. Eneiro ve kigbesi yene, 66. Ehairo ve kigbesi yene, 67. Evairo ve kigbesi yene, 68. Okpairo ve kigbesi yene, 69. Ekigbesi yene, 70. That means we are removing 10 from yene. Okpanya ekigbesi yene. Evanya ekigbesi yene. Ehanya ekigbesi yene. Enenya ekigbesi yene. Isenya ekigbesi yene. So I told you earlier that the smaller numbers are the one put on top after the even numbers. So the smaller numbers are now put on top the even numbers, one after the other, from 1 to 5, to give us to bring us to the middle of that whole number, or of that number that we are counting from. Eneiro vekigbesi yene, ehairo vekigbesi yene, evairo vekigbesi yene, okpairo vekigbesi yene, iyene, which is 80. So I'm going to start again from 70. Ekigbesi yene 70, okpanya ekigbesi yene 71, evanya ekigbesi yene 72, ehanya ekigbesi yene 73, enenya ekigbesi yene 74, isenya ekigbesi yene 75, eneiro yene 76, ehairo yene 77, evairo yene 78, okpairo yene 79, iyene 80. Okpanya iyene 81, evanya iyene 82, ehanya iyene 83, enenya iyene 84, isenya iyene 85. Eneiro kigbesi yisen. Eneiro kigbesi yisen. Now we see that we are approaching 100. 100. So because iyisen means 100. Ehairo kigbesi yisen 87. Evairo kigbesi yisen 88. Okpairo kigbesi yisen 89. Ekigbesi yisen. This ekigbesi yisen means 90, and it means that you are removing 10 from 100. Okpanya ekigbesi yisen, evanya ekigbesi yisen, ehanya ekigbesi yisen, enenya ekigbesi yisen, isenya ekigbesi yisen, eneiro yisen, ehairo yisen, evairo yisen, okpairo yisen, iyisen. Okpanya iyene 81, evanya iyene 82, ehanya iyene 83, enenya iyene 84, isenya iyene 85, eneiro kigbesi yisen 86, ehairo kigbesi yisen 87, evairo kigbesi yisen 88, okpairo kigbesi yisen 89, ekigbesi yisen 90, okpanya ekigbesi yisen 91, evanya ekigbesi yisen 92, ehanya ekigbesi yisen 93, enenya ekigbesi yisen 94, isenya ekigbesi yisen 95, eneiro yisen 96, ehairo yisen 97, evairo yisen 98, okpairo yisen 99, iyisen 100. So, mami oye na we, iyisen na hami ma we, ruda wege nokpa ikamu wage, iji, wawi iji, onirie ma we, 20 euha, 20 euha, na wetie ugie. So, kwa itamu wage, egogi ugie gberane o, egogi ugie gberane, iyi na ni wowe owe ugie na, ina we ogare iyisen, ogae 100 not yet iyisen. So I told you earlier that iyi is another word that replaced ugie, which is 20. And I said once iyi is in 5 places, which is isen 5, isen. If iyi is in 5 places, it gives us 100, which is 20 times 5. 20 times 5. Not 5 times 20, but 20 times 5, because iyi is 20. So when you say iyisen, it means you are saying 20 in 5 places, which is 100. Do not also forget that I said a kickbase. That means you are removing 10 from the nearest round figure whole number that can be divided by 20 to get the odd number that comes before the number that you are looking for. But in this case, let me tell you, the odd numbers here are 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 130, 150, as the case may be, 170, and then 190. Emana we ihemie ikemina emana mana mwesoto. This is where we end the topic numbers counting. Wala yaho ne nuwagume liobe ikweyo ye ihemina wali obi kweyo waberi hamame wawe gume hege wawe mo oje wa ibe gume be guakan wa kebe gume be gae. Please, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. I'd like you to like it. Just say something about it by way of commenting, and then help me share the video so that others will benefit. Wabi tota. Uyedo, the glory of Benin will never go into extinction.